If you want a new idea, read an old book. If you are a friend to everyone, you are an enemy to yourself. When you win, say nothing. When you lose, say less. There are no failures in life, only lessons. No matter how much good you do for people, they will only remember your mistakes. If a woman does not love you, she always talks about your flaws, not your dreams. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Always do the best you can what you plant. Now you will harvest later. Remember to look at the stars and not at your feet. The only impossible journey is the one you never begin. If a woman does not love you, she makes excuses instead of making time. Remember this, you will be alone in the most difficult moments of your life. These moments will make you wise, mature, and fearless. If you do not like the path you are walking, start building another one. The rarest of all human qualities is consistency. If you are impatient, life will always be harder. Patience can do wonders. Success is 99% failure. Actions are the seeds of destiny. Deeds grow into destiny. A successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. Nothing great was ever achieved without danger. It is not titles that honor men, but men who honor titles. It is twice the pleasure to deceive the deceiver. It is better to act and regret than not to act and regret it later. If a woman does not love you, her words become colder every day. If a woman does not love you, she remembers your mistakes more than your efforts. If a woman does not love you, she avoids deep conversations with you. Life is like a coin. You can spend it however you want, but you only spend it once. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. You do not have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Believe and act as if it were impossible to fail. Always follow your passions, never ask if they are realistic or not. I can accept failure, everyone fails at something, but I cannot accept not trying. When we love, we always strive to become better than we are. When we strive to become better, everything around us improves.